In the verse, we'll go back and forth between two chords, G major, G, B, D, and E minor, E, G, B. For one measure each, it would sound like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. In two hands, the verse pattern could sound and look like this. The chorus pattern features 4 chords, beginning with C major, C, E, G, going to D major, D, F sharp, A, back to E minor, E, G, B, and ending again on D major, D, F sharp, A. These chords get 2 beats each, like so. 1, 2, 3, begin on C, D, E minor, back to D, 2 beats each. In two hands, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4.